Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus or Rising from 29th of June till the 5th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass too, links are given below. So let's start. Just give me 1 second. I just want to check all the cards. Yep. Good to go. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Libra, at this present moment. We have the Queen of Swords. This is somebody who is feeling hurt by the situation and they feel like cutting the crap, cutting the shit. Okay. There is something about the situation that is making them kind of pissed off and they feel like remaining detached and cold and off from the situation is a good idea. Okay. They're a little bit pissed off, angry energy here. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords, or they feel like keeping things very clear, like cutthroat. Hmm? Let's clarify the Queen of Swords as their feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Seven of Cups. Okay, there might be a choice between two people, two energies, and they feel like they should make the right choice, right decision. There's a lot of confusion going on in the situation right now, and they feel like they should take their time before they are going to make any kind of decision or choice. Until unless they are going to come to some kind of final decision or choice in this direction, they feel like keeping themselves as the center of attention of their world. So there is definitely choice that they have to make in the situation, whether it's between two people, two energies, or whether it's between this situation and their stability, their safety, their stability, their long-term happiness. So there are other people involved in the situation, maybe not romantically, but there are lots of factors in the situation that is affecting the situation on a deeper level, and they feel like making the right choice and the right decision. And until unless they can do that, they are going to focus on themselves. Trying to. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Queen of Wands. From your side, you feel like sitting in your power and letting things be. You feel like you should just take the charge of your life in your own hands and create your own reality and intact, keep your pride intact in some way. There's attraction, there's passion, there's desire, but at the same time there's pride and ego also from your side in this dynamics. Let's clarify. Ego not in the sense in a bad way or something, it's like protecting yourself from getting hurt or something. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands as your feelings for this particular person or situation. I have the Page of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Ten of Cups. Okay, so you feel like keeping things going in a particular situation by clearing the air with each other. One of you might be a married person to somebody else, and there is a dynamics going on apart from the marriage thing also. So you feel like keeping things casual, keeping things friendly, and giving the other person the crystal clear clarity and honesty that this is how is it is going to be for the long term, and this is how you guys are going to proceed further in this direction. Okay. So you feel very infatuated, very attracted to the idea of being with somebody, but there is something related to marriage or commitment or long-term partnership here that you guys want to make sure that the other person also know that. Again, if you are already married person, then you want to tell them that you cannot leave the marriage or commitment, or if not, you want to make sure that everything is going to go according to the plan between you and this person. What's happening here? Okay, let me see what this person wants from you, honey. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Before proceeding further, let me invite you for my 10 days Osho Meditation Festival that's happening from 5th till the 14th of July 2026 from 4:30 till 5:30 in the evening. I cannot provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to do that. But we are going to focus on healing your inner child, releasing a lot of trauma and pain out of your system, out of your body too. If you want to start your or restart your healing journey, your spiritual journey, this is a fantastic opportunity. The previous batch was of 7 days, and now I'm going to extend it to 10 days because I felt intuitively that 10 days is going to be more beneficial. You are going to come out as a very fresh energy, very very calm and very peaceful energy. And if you want to enjoy meditation, you don't want to make it a task, this is definitely your sign to join the camp, the workshop online. The instructions and everything is given in the description box. The link is given in the description box. Read all the instructions and everything before you are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable. Okay, it's very affordable. It's 5100 for 10 days for Indians, and for others it's 300 USD, and every other instruction is given there. Okay, so I'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited, so just book the slot now. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? We have the Four of Cups. This person wants to get out of this disappointment. Okay, they have a specific kind of demand or specific kind of energy that they want it out of the situation, and if they're not getting it, they are getting disappointed. Let's clarify the Four of Cups as their intentions here. We have the Empress, the Emperor, the Queen of Cups. So Libra, this is somebody who wants to make things work out between you and them because they consider you as their emperor or empress, and they want to make things work out with love and compassion and lot of happiness. So they don't want any kind of disappointment, any kind of confusion, any kind of ifs and buts. They want to be with you for the long term. Commitment or marriage or something related to marriage or commitment is a major issue here in this dynamics. Whatever it is, but still this person wants to be with you, and they want to be with you for the rest of their life. This is really beautiful energy or intention, and they want you right now. They just want you and only you. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra. Queen of Cups. You want to keep your emotions, your thoughts, your feelings, and everything to yourself, but at the same time, you want to remain very compassionate, loving, and nurturing and caring towards the situation. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Cups as your intentions in this particular situation. We have the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Chariot. Wow. So until unless you are 100%, 1000% sure that you should invest in this situation, you just want to keep yourself protected from the situation, keep yourself at a safe distance from the situation. You don't want to create any kind of burdensome and heavy kind of energies in the dynamics, and you just want to keep moving forward in your life with all of the love and compassion and everything that you have for the situation in your heart. You just want to keep moving forward until unless you guys are 1000% sure that it's worth investing and it's worth opening up to in this situation. So one of you want to be with the other person, one of you want to be with the other person for the rest of their life. The other person just want to keep their energies to themselves, their feelings and thoughts and emotions to themselves, because they're not sure about the situation right now, and until unless they are sure, they are not going to invest. That is their intention. Pick which side is yours and pick which one is your person's. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 5th of July, Libra. We have the Sun card. This is the happiest card in the deck, the positive, most positive card in the deck. Let's see, let's clarify the Sun as a potential outcome. I have the Fool card, the Ace of Wands, and the King of Cups. Yep. It's like somebody taking the leap of faith in this situation and giving the situation another shot, another chance with all of their heart and soul. A lot of love, a lot of compassion, a lot of nurturing, caring, and mature and grounded kind of energies are coming forward. Somebody is going to open up their heart 1000% to the situation, and this is going to be one of those situations where both of you are going to feel very happy. Everything is going to be crystal clear. Everything is going to be so beautiful that you guys are going to be amazed. Now, for most of you, it is the same person, same energy that you're dealing with. But for others of you, this can be a totally new person, new energy entering in your space with a lot of happiness, lot of love, lot of compassionate kind of energy. And this thought, this um, intention of, okay, let's be together and let's have fun and let's live life together. Now, maybe they're not going to verbally say it to you, but you're going to feel it. Whether it's a past person or a new person entering in your space, it is going to be fantastically amazing week for you guys when it comes to love. Now, for most of us, like for most of the people, romantic love is all about eating with somebody, sleeping with somebody, shitting with somebody, not giving them the space to breathe even, and being codependent. For me, my kind of people, love is all about, even if it is not romantic, we are getting a lot of love, care, respect from other people. That is also love for me. So I think for some of you, this is going to be that kind of love where you are going to feel extremely happy. You are going to feel at the top of the world. You are going to feel loved and seen and cared for. And you guys are going to feel lucky that you found this kind of love in your life. Now take it how it resonates with you, especially if you are traveling or going out, or having like you are in a setup where other people are also there. There are very good chances of you guys feeling loved, seen, and heard. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra. I have the Knight of Swords, Page of Swords, Nine of Swords. First of all, you have to get out of your head and you have to start connecting with your heart more. Stop running away from everything that makes you feel a little bit uncomfortable, because growth and expansion happens only in the uncomfortable zones only. Before you are going to run away from anything or anyone in the opposite direction, try to learn about what is that thing that's triggering you, that's stressing you, that's making you feel like you should run away. Figure that out and work on that factor properly and honestly. Before running away from anything or anyone, learn about that thing, learn about the trauma, maybe the pain or the stress that it is giving you. It's making you feel like, it's making you learn something from the experience. It's not like you should start running away from everything or everyone that's making you slightly uncomfortable. Start learning from the things, start going deeper and understand why you are feeling the way you are feeling and what you should do about it, instead of continuously running away directionless. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, and this portion also might or might not resonate, by the way. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Hmm. So the answer to your question is no need to worry. You might be worried about something continuously. Often there are situations that we fret and worry about even when they are out of our control. These situations can keep us up at night. The no need to worry card lets you know that even if things seem dark, a resolution and an easing will come. Worry will not improve anything, and dawn is just around the corner, if that is making sense. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.